Hello everyone. In this video we will show you Security Information and Event Management, SIEM. Security Information and Event Management, SIEM, technology supports threat detection, compliance and security incident management through the collection and analysis, both near real-time and historical, of security events, as well as a wide variety of other event and contextual data sources. The core capabilities are a broad scope of log event collection and management, the ability to analyze log events and other data across disparate sources, and operational capabilities, such as incident management, dashboards, and reporting. Some of the most used SIEM solutions are Splunk, IBM QRadar, and Azure Sentinel. Azure Sentinel is a cloud-native security information and event manager, SIEM, platform that uses built-in AI to help analyze large volumes of data across an enterprise. We have to follow the shown instruction. At first, get API key. Now in your Azure Sentinel, we will use the Microsoft Management Agent, MMA, feature. Let's configure HTTP data source for showing a list of vulnerabilities in any specific application. Use this API endpoint with application ID in end to get list of all vulnerabilities. You also need to send one header with key, a PI key, and you can obtain your API key. Now, you can configure your parser/schema within Azure Sentinel to access different key/values from JSON. IBM QRadar is a network security management platform that provides situational awareness and compliance support. QRadar uses a combination of flow-based network knowledge, security event correlation, and asset-based vulnerability assessment. We have to follow the shown instruction. At first, open Dashboard Designer. In the navigation pane, go to Connector and Sources, then Connector Sources. In the Connector Sources tab, click Add Source. An Add Connector Source window is displayed. From the connector type list, select QRadar Connector. In the Connector Source Name field, enter a name for QRadar source. Source name can contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. In the Endpoint URL field, enter URL details for QRadar web service in the following format. Above API endpoint requires application ID in end. To get list of all vulnerabilities, you also need to send one header with key, a PI key, and you can obtain your API key. Micro Focus ArcSight Logger is a comprehensive solution for security event log management for easier compliance and efficient log search. We have to follow the shown instruction. At first, for configuring CloudDefense HTTP API with ArcSight Logger, we will use the Flex Connector feature from Micro Focus ArcSight Logger. Obtain a vulnerability listing REST API from CloudDefense. Above API endpoint requires application ID in end. To get list of all vulnerabilities, you also need to send one header with key, a PI key, and you can obtain your API key. Now, you need to create a custom parser within your ArcSight. We recommend you at this stage follow all instructions mentioned by Micro Focus ArcSight Logger.